In this video, we'll be discussing how to configure multiple user inputs in your workflow to be displayed in either a single page form or in a one input per page style. To create a single page form of user inputs, add a user input block to your automation workflow. In the configuration panel, tap the plus icon to add your user inputs. From here, highlight all of the user inputs you'd like to add to this block, then tap Add. Now let's see how this looks to the user. You can see here in the published app that all the inputs are now displayed in a single page. To display inputs individually, you'll need to add a block for each individual user input. We can follow the same steps as before, just adding each input one at a time. Now that all of our inputs have been added, let's see how this looks to the user. Now we only see one input on this page. If we type in our answer and tap Continue, we will see another single input. Thanks for watching this video on the different ways to display user inputs. We'll see you next time.